So first of all, I would like to ask you for your permission to use this video for educational purpose and on internet.
Yep.
We had the previous testimonials and we are now about 1.5 years after that sacroiliac fusion. Just to refresh the memory, what were the symptoms before the surgery?
Pain sitting, walking, shopping, standing.
1 to 10, how bad was that pain?
Oh, 8, 9. Some
Okay.
days it was over 10.
For how long?
Oh, a couple years for sure, but I've had symptoms for at least 10 years before surgery.
But so it got worse in the last few years before
Yes.
the surgery. Now, this is a lot of symptoms. People who don't have this kind of pain can not easily rely to that. But how was your daily activity? What in your day's life? What could you do? What could you not do?
I could do quite a bit of stuff, but when the pain got so bad I couldn't do nothing. I just sat on the couch
Yeah.
pretty much all day. Couldn't do nothing with my kids.
So how did you treat this pain in that time frame?
Ibuprofen, but sometimes that won't even take care of it. You just
So your
live
life,
with it.
yeah, your life was just around, accommodating your pain
Yep.
and working around your pain. Now we did the diagnostic. You had the sacroiliac disease, and we about 1.5 years ago we did this surgery. This surgery was literally a half-an-hour procedure where we put 2 screws along the sacroiliac joint, and now we see that the bone actually grows inside of this screw and outside of this screw. And but first of all, how were your symptoms after the surgery? How did you do after the surgery?
Wonderful.
Okay.
Within like a week, everything was basically gone.
Gone, and how are you now, 1.5 years after?
Pain-wise, 0.
Okay.
I never have any. I don't have pain at all anymore.
So the result is sustained. That wasn't just a fluke of
No.
me putting some local anesthetic there and so on. So your life is different now.
Very different. I don't have to be scared to go anywhere anymore.
Okay. Are you back to where you want to be? Or?
Yes.
Okay. How long after the surgery were you back where you wanted to be?
Probably a couple weeks already.
Couple of weeks. So you had that pain for many, many years. In the last 3 years was really bad. Though your entire life was around that pain. And we did a half-an-hour procedure and your life changed.
It changed drastically.
Okay. Well, that is, I think that is practically a proof that that was your problem. And we could fix that problem with just putting 2 screws in that sacroiliac joint. And there are lots of data now that this entity has been neglected for so long. So you have been neglected, I guess, for a very long time. And you have proved that this procedure is truly one of the new miracle of the musculoskeletal
It
care.
definitely is a miracle.
Okay, well, thank you so much for the interview. I appreciate that.